Since childhood, I love mud crabs and my family too. And if I do this recipe, my family loves to eat more rice than as usual. And if you try this recipe the way I have shown in this video, I am sure that your family will love it too. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's make today smart crab curry, and for that the ingredients are potato, garlic, ginger, red chili, onion, cumin seed, salt, coriander seed, sugar, red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric, and our lovely mud crabs with that coriander leaf chop. Now let's begin the recipe. Before starting the recipe, we need to marinate our crab. For this, in a bowl, wash the crab thoroughly and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything well with your hand and marinate it for 10-15 minutes before frying it. On the other side, we will make a masala. For that, in a plate, we will take half teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed. Now add 3 to 4 Kashmiri red chili whole for the color. Next add a small size ginger, 5 to 8 garlic cloves, and now make a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. Next, keep this aside and let's begin the recipe. Now in a pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, add 1 medium sized potato cut into 4 pieces. Though this is optional, if you don't want potato in your curry, you can remove the potato. And now fry this potato with little salt and turmeric powder until it is golden from all the sides. Though you need to stir the potato so that it cooked evenly from all the sides and turn golden. And once you are done, then remove the potatoes from the pan and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. And into that same oil, we will fry our marinated crabs. You need to fry this crab for 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns bright red. Though I like to inform you that I have used 500 grams of small size mud crab for this video. You could use any variety for this. It can be a big size crab or a medium size for this preparation. It's just that if you use mud crabs, their shells will turn to a bright red color when cooked. And probably this is one of the simplest crab recipe that you ever come across, and I hope you will really like it. Now, once the crab is well done, now it's time to remove it from the pan. After removing the crabs, into that same oil, add 2 medium-sized onion chopped. But if you need to add oil, you can always add oil according to the need of the recipe. Now fry this onion for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Again stir it well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking the onion for 2 to 3 minutes, then add the masala paste which you have done at the beginning of the recipe. After adding this masala, stir well and then cook in a very low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell goes away. Now you can see from this video that our masala is perfectly ready. Add the fried potato as well as the fried mud crabs at this point of time. After adding this, you need to add little sugar. Again, sugar is optional. If you don't want, you can ignore it. I always prefer to add sugar to balance the taste of any curry. Now stir everything well. Then add 1 cup of water and cover and cook in a low flame or until our potatoes and crabs are well done from all the sides and the curry will look perfectly delicious. I like to mention here that while you are making this crab curry, always try to use fresh crab. As fresh crab, I mean that the crab is still alive. If you don't have fresh crab, then go for the second option. You can use frozen crab. Now look, this red bright color is looking marvelous. At this point of time, check the tenderness of potato and the crab. Then switch off the flame and sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder from top and garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and then cover and give a standing time of 5 minutes before serving hot with rice. And I am sure if you try this recipe once, rest of the life you will be fan of this crab curry. And it looks so yummy, so delicious that it will make you dance, sing its praises and forget all the hard work of crackling the claws and crab shells to get to the good stuff. And if you think today's recipe is really worth it, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.